How to locate Santander Bank branches and ATMs near you. Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Here we go. Now over here you can see this search box. Tap on it and type in over there santanderbank.com and search for it. With that, you will land to the official website of Santander Bank. Now scroll down. At the bottom, you're gonna find this section for Find Us. Now you have to click on this option of Find a Branch. Now over here you will find this search box. You will need to type in city, state or zip code and find the branches and ATMs near you. I'm gonna type in the zip code. After you type in, within few seconds you're gonna find lots of options. You can see that. These are the branches and ATMs of Santander Bank near me. If you want to get direction, you can tap on this option of Get Directions. Likewise, if you want details about the ATM, you can click on this option. Also, you are able to click on this option of Show Map that will open up the map and show you the direction. So this was really simple and quick process. All you have to do is enter the city, state or zip code and you're gonna find all the branches and ATMs near you of Santander Bank. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily locate Santander Bank branches and ATMs near you. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.